Hello everyone, Akash here. Today I'm going to review 7-day ginger oil versus HIMS Minoxidil 5% topical solution. So both product I'm using over 4 months now. So definitely the budget, definitely you have to think about your budget. Is you're not going to use it like one time. You got to continue using it if something working for you. I don't know if you used it yet, but this is good for only 2 weeks. So the bottle is really small, and men and women both can use this 7-day ginger oil. It's pure made in ginger, but this one is only for men. HIMS is only for men. It says in the back, like if you're a woman or like under 18, you have to read the label. It's not for women, it's only for men. So this one, men and women for both. So this is good for a month, this is good for 2 weeks. But if you look at the price difference, this one is like $13, this one is like $6. So it's about, if you look at, if you're using it for a month, the price is about the same. So that's the big because you're not going to use it only once. If something working for you, you got to continue using it for a long time, 6 months to 1 year, unless something better comes in the market. And I always put the link in description box for the product I always review. So make sure you get the best deal for your buck. So again, this is 2 full ounce. So the difference I see, the first I started 7-day ginger oil, first 2 weeks, yes, it did regrow my hair faster. My existing hair, I'm not talking about new hair. Whatever the hair I have is existing hair, it grew faster. After that, it slowed down. I don't know what happened. It didn't grow as fast as it's supposed to, like first 2 weeks. But this, I used it for like almost 3 months, more than 3 months. This is the third time I ordered. I ordered like 2 other things with it. I'll show it to you. If your hair loss situation is really bad, like if your hair loss, like if you lost already 40 or 50% of your hair, then just getting 7-day ginger oil or just getting HIMS, the topical solution 5%, it's just not gonna cut it, man. Honestly, it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do the job you're looking for. Again, if you just start losing hair like 10%, 20% recently, then it might, this 7-day ginger oil, if you continue use it for 6 months or a year, might help you. Or HIMS, like topical oil. But if you're, like I said, 50% or 40%, then you need more than just this. Okay, but let me talk about this first detail, then I'll show you some of the product you could use it with this. So if you look at it, this ginger oil, if you saw my previous video, I just go on detail and show it to you. This is how it comes. You put it on your hair, like wherever you need it, but you gotta use it at least twice a day. This 7-day ginger, but the bottle is so small, and I feel like it's not even good for 2 weeks. So if you're going to get this, and you have to get it more than like 2 bottles to start with, and you're not gonna see any difference. You might see some hair, existing hair, grow fast, but you have to continue. Any products is working for you, you have to continue for longer time. Again, it's not only the product, depend on your daily lifestyle too. You have to change it. Something is hurting you. Or also, don't take frequently. You don't take shower, like take shower every other day to help reduce hair fall. Because every time you wash your hair, it definitely hair fall goes faster. So again, so HIMS, this is pretty much similar to this, but this has a bigger, because this is a bigger bottle. So this is, that's how they made it. This 1 month exactly is good for 1 month. Or they tell you twice a day, but I think once a day is perfect. You don't have to use it twice a day. This, so it just exactly, you just need it wherever exactly you need it, you put it on. And I just use it like in the morning, just before I go to work or going out or whatever. And you don't smell anything or anything like that. So don't take too much in it, because it's 1 bottle, you gotta last for a month. So just squeeze a little bit on the top, so make sure you get just enough wherever you need it, you put it on. So again, if your hair situation is really bad, then I would definitely recommend to get the HIMS, the shampoo too with it. And again, I have the link in the description box, so you can check it out. And if his hair fall is just started like few months or recently, then I would just say just get this and try it out, see if it helps. Then you don't need to get the shampoo. But again, it's good to use like the HIMS shampoo is always better than if the regular shampoo you're using on. And the shampoo is the regular way you use it, like 2 to 3 minutes. You keep it on your skull, gently rinse it out and scrub it. And also it comes with this HIMS. it's like a supplement. It's kind of like a vitamin kind of thing. It's not only good for your hair, it's good for like your nails, your skin, and everything. So you could get the whole 3 package together for like 35 bucks, around 35 bucks. That's the best deal I get. Or you could just get this one for like 12.99 itself. So again, if your hair fall is not like really bad, I would just recommend start slow and start with this. Or you could start with the 7-day ginger oil. It's only 7 bucks. But again, if you look at it, if you get 2 bottles, good for 1 month, that would be like $13. And you're getting 1 bottle, good for a whole month, and it's like same price. So you have to look at that way too. Again, no product's gonna work just in 1 month. If something working, you see some different, like you stuff reduce hair fall, then you have to continue use it. So this supplement is good for exactly 60. You have to take 2 a day. So it got 60 in it. So you 2 a day, you chew it, and it tastes good. It doesn't taste weird or medicine, nothing. So it tastes good. So exactly 1 month. If you think this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and also check out the link description box. I have it because I have a web page, and some of the product I used over the year is there. You could check it out, and definitely you check it out. I have the detailed videos. Every product is there. It's not just the product randomly I put it on there. Is the product I used it and it helped me. Those are the only products you'll see there, all in the same place.